In this video you will watch top 15 future tallest buildings in the world. Number 15. Israeli Spiral Tower. Country Israel. This tower will be 323 meters in height and will have total 91 numbers of floors. Number 14. The One Ritz-Carlton Tower. The One Ritz-Carlton Tower will be built in Sri Lanka. This tower will be 326 meters in height and will have around 80 numbers of floors. On number 13, IBN Bukit Bintang. This tower will be built in Malaysia. It will be around 330 meters in height when constructed and will consist total 68 numbers of floors. On number 12, Empire 88 Tower. The Empire 88 Tower will be built in Vietnam. This tower will be 333 meters in height and will have total 88 numbers of floors. Number 11. 9 DeKalb Avenue. This tower will be built in United States of America. It will be 335 meters in height and will consist total 73 numbers of floors. Number 10. Seal Tower. The Seal Tower will be built in UAE. This tower will be around 365 meters in height and will consist total 77 numbers of floors. Number 9. Uptown Tower. The Uptown Tower will be built in UAE. This tower will be around 370 meters in height and this tower will have 78 numbers of floors. On number 8, Piruri 88. The Piruri 88 Tower will be built in China. This tower will be around 389 meters in height and will have total 88 numbers of floors. Number 7. Evergrande Center. The Evergrande Center will be built in China. This tower will be around 393 meters in height and it will have total 71 numbers of floors. Number 6. One Bangkok O4H4 Tower. The One Bangkok Tower will be built in Thailand. This tower will be 436 meters in height and will have total 92 numbers of floors. Number 5. Al Quds Tower. The Al Quds Tower will be built in Qatar. This tower will be around 494 meters in height and will consist total 100 numbers of floors. On number 4, Suzhou Zhonggang Center. The Suzhou Zhonggang Center will be built in China. This tower will be 499 meters in height and will have total 103 numbers of floors. Number 3. Dalian Greenland Center. The Dalian Greenland Center will be built in China. This tower will be 518 meters in height when constructed and it will consist total 88 numbers of floors. Number 2. Merdeka PNB 118. The Merdeka PNB 118 tower will be built in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur city. It will be 644 meters in height and will consist total 118 numbers of floors. On number 1. Jeddah Tower. The Jeddah Tower will be built in Saudi Arabia. This tower will be around 1000 meters in height and will consist total 167 numbers of floors.